we have this new Windows computer, and sometimes the question is just something simple like, how do you add a network printer? How do you add printers when you want to, rather than calling technology? Might be easier to do it yourself. I'm going to open up my Chrome app because I've already installed it here. So let's go ahead and open that, take a look at it, and I'll just go to my Google Drive, log into my account, go ahead and get signed in. And now I'm logged in, and let's say I've got something in my Google Drive, and I realize that I need to print this. I want to get it printed. Let's find a document. Well, we'll just start with a Bitmoji. That's always easy. Okay. And so here's my image, and that's what I want to print. You'll notice, just like on your Mac and any computer, you have your print screen. So I'm just going to go to print. I haven't added any printers, but I'm going to go to print. And it comes up with my print dialog box. That's what this is called. And right now it says I'm converting this file from a Microsoft Print document to a PDF. Hey, just FYI, PDF stands for Portable Document Format. And what that means is that I can save this as a portable document format and pretty much use it on any device anywhere. That's what's the beauty of a PDF file. Okay, but in this case, I actually want to find a printer. So I'm going to go over here, a drop down menu. I don't see any printers, so I'm going to say see more. Well, here's some printers that I've used in the past, which there's really only one. I just got this computer. There's no printers. And so I'm going to go down here to the screen where it says manage. And there's several ways to add a printer. This is just one that I found I thought was pretty simple. Then I go over here. It pops up my system files, and it says, hey, under settings, do you want to add a printer? And I'm just going to add a device. What's going to do now is go and look for any devices that are nearby. I happen to be at the admin building, and boy, there are a lot of printers here. So let's say I looked at the printers, and I kind of looked and thought, okay, here's the office Kyocera. A lot of y'all offices have the Kyocera printer. Then all I have to do is add that device. I literally click add the device. I've got this click down here, preferences. I'm telling it to download the drivers. Uh, Go ahead and download the drivers. So if there's a driver that I need for this to work, it should just automatically download it. Now, nothing's perfect in the world, but you can see that it is installing. It's telling you this is one in the superintendent's office. So it's installing that printer. We're going to wait for it. Sorry, I can choose show Wi-Fi direct printers, or I can say add it manually. Let's go to add it manually. Maybe we know the IP address of our printer. And then I can go right here and I can say add a printer using the IP address or host name. Then go to next. Um, the next I'm going to switch this to TCP IP. And then I'm going to type in the IP address. If you know your IP address, and that's usually on the front of your printer, um, it's going to look for that printer. It'll figure out where it is. It'll try to find it. If it cannot find the software, it's going to tell you to find the software. But most of the time, you'll have it. This particular one I put in, I know the software's been kind of impossible. But anyway, that's pretty much how you add a networked printer.